So that means we already now we got it really end of the presentation on of the implementations. And what we did, we we set our specification, we set our domain models, we set we developed our configurations, we all the configuration that we need, we define our all the domain models, we define the repositories with the default repositories and our custom repositories, we define our services, our custom service implement interfaces, we define our service implementations, and then all end of the day we define the controllers, the request response controller, and finish and define our all the Spring Boot profiling concept with the different prefix like dev, production, QA, release, and test, and production, and default. And then after that we just build our project. We check it here locally, the application is running properly. We did our Postman test, and then when the Postman test is locally successful, then we release the versions from here. We release the version here, and then copy the jar files or put it in the Artifactory, take this jar file from the Artifactory, and the installation department take the version, take the new version from the Artifactory, and then they install the application into the respective client machines, or doesn't matter how many machines or that ones. So we recap it like this way. So go back to the presentation. That's we recap. We did all part. We architecture, we get it. We already talk about this older screencast with different database technology. So now we can, I would like to thanks, and thanks means just we try our best to share our knowledge, what we have it in the last couple of years in our experience, our team, our groups. We are working as a volunteers. That's I said. This is our hobbies to share our knowledge with you, and you can share your knowledge with you, and even though you can take our source into the your daily developments, and then do your developments. Doesn't matter there is a professionals or the big beginners or students or researchers that take it and do their job, the use cases that they define. And that's why I said this is the standard and generic way to do for the implementation for any type of projects, like any type of this web application projects, or is this REST API implementation projects, or other API development implementation project. That's why I said this is the same approach you need to be take over across your implementation. The structure and process steps you need, that's we try to share with you our experience with your daily works and daily activities and daily development activities. So that means, and you subscribe the channel, write down your comments and share with friends and colleagues, and then you can put it your bell button to, if I have update screencast, you can get the update informations. Then now I can say bye bye, goodbye, and see you later in the later screencast. Bye bye.